guys, welcome back to my channel in this week's video. So this week we'll be doing something slightly festive in order to attract some more clients and also reward those that kind of book in the month of December. I created these little festive baubles, and inside the bauble there are a number of goodies. I've included some little Christmas chocolates, there's a mini cuticle oil and nail file, as well as a £5 off voucher for when someone books their next treatment, and I've also got some like Christmas glitters and stuff in there just to decorate the bauble up a little bit. So without further ado, let's get started and I'll show you how I created these fun little festive decorations. So just a quick close-up for you of what it looked like all finished. I ordered 10 12cm clear baubles off of eBay. It was about £10. It could have been a little bit cheaper, but they come in 2 half pieces and they arrived in about 3 days, which was quite good. I then ordered some extra chocolates, so we've got Christmas puddings and some golden coins. I then had 10 mini nail files. These were £5 for the 10 of them, which was good. And then I also had 10 cuticle oils. These were the most expensive thing and they were just over £10 for the 10 of them. And then I ordered 2 big bags of Christmas confetti glitter things just to stick in there so they felt a bit more Christmassy. These were about £2 for the 2 bags. Then some Christmas ribbon just to tie it all together. And then I also put in a £5 loyalty card money off voucher thing. Now I ordered the stamper off Amazon a while ago and I created the loyalty card myself. So here I just pop the file and the cuticle oil in, 3 Christmas puds, 2 golden coins, and then I just start to stamp up the money off voucher, and it's really simple. It just has my logo on and the spots to stamp up and my social media handles. So stamp it up. There we go, popping it in and loading it up with confetti. Altogether, these averaged to be about £3.50, £4 each, without the loyalty card. I didn't have enough confetti in there, so I added some smaller bits in just to bulk it out a little bit more. Pop the lid on. One thing just to be mindful of is that they were a little bit tricky. You have to make it pop, but even then I felt that it needed a bit of sellotape around it to be 100% secure, because I found a couple of them had popped open. So here we go, get the string, just thread it through, and then I fumble around trying to tie the bow. Please excuse the state of my nails. I had just removed some dark blue nail varnish and it took forever to get off and it ended up staining part of my nails, and I wanted it off for my next video. So I just about managed to tie the bow eventually, and this is what it looks like. So for about £3.50, £4, I think these were brilliant, and they've gone down quite well with some clients already. They just make a nice little Christmas gift. So I popped it on the tree just so you can see what it looks like. So I'm really pleased with how they came out. You know, I think they're a great little addition to give to clients in December. I've had them on as a deal, so anyone books in December gets a free Christmas gift. So thank you for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this video. Sorry for no video last week, but there'll be one again next week. So see you soon.